In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete account from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. To begin, tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged into your account, look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Chart of Accounts. Once you're in the chart of accounts, locate the account you want to remove from active use. Before continuing, check the account name and detail type to make sure you've selected the correct account. When you're ready, look to the right side of the accounts row for the small downward arrow. Click the arrow to open the options menu for that account. From the menu, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will mark the account as inactive. The account will no longer appear in your active account lists or be available for new transactions. Making an account inactive does not delete past transactions or break your reports. Your historical data remains in place, and your financial statements continue to include that information. The account is simply removed from day-to-day selection. QuickBooks Online does not actually let you delete accounts from the chart of accounts. Instead, you can make an account inactive. This removes it from your active lists and prevents it from being used in new transactions while keeping your historical data intact. That's all there is to it. Making the account inactive keeps your chart of accounts clean while preserving your historical records. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.